Hi, and welcome to the Brandon Garden once again. It is a beautiful, well, I was going to say spring day, but it's really February the 16th, and it's about 72 degrees here in El Paso. And what I want to show you today, I dug my garden here, and what I'm basically going to do is now as I put in the water bubblers. So I'm using these little bubblers. You can get these at your big box stores, Lowe's, Home Depot. And this tool here, and all you're going to do is with the tubing here, and remember we talked about that square foot gardening, so I put the tubing in little 1 foot squares, and that's going to be my gardening for the year. You can look that up on Google. I'll put a link down at the comments below. So we're going to use this tool here. We're going to stick that in the tube, put that in there that way, and then all we just do is we just take this here and we stick that in there, clicks, and that is it. And then you can adjust the water from there. So we're going to do this other one here, put one in and take the bubbler, stick that in there, and that's it. So we're going to amend the garden with some garden soil, some good compost, and we'll test the soil next week, see what we need to add. We'll go ahead and do that in another video, and we'll shoot that. And again, I want to encourage you to grow your own garden, grow your own clean vegetables, and your own organic food.